Troy-Bilt Mustang Fit riding lawn mower with 34-inch deck and 452cc engine. Powerful 452cc engine with hydrostatic transmission packs enough power to mow large lots of rough grass. Zero-turn maneuverability allows you to turn on a dime and save time. Extra wide 34-inch side discharge cutting deck cuts a wide path. Operator-controlled mow-in-reverse capability for ultimate maneuverability. Comfortable high back seat with dual suspension springs and ample legroom for a smooth ride. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.